So this patch here is just from this sketch, so there's not anything specifically wrong with this model other than the fact that differences between this one and the previous ones is these holes are being broken through. Either they weren't before, or they're being broken through more now. At least that's the geometry is more favourable here than what it is on this side. So really, we don't need all three bodies like this, so we can just combine them all together. So we've got a single body, and then create a midplane between this face and this face here. And at that point we can now use the split body, and we're going to split that one using the plane we just created. And that, we can turn this off now, and that gives us the edge that we need for 3D boundaries for our 3D surfacing, but also for our 2D contours. So we can switch across to the manufacturer workspace. We need to tidy up our setup, so we want to make sure we reselect that and clear out these invalid body selections and just pick these two here. Then everything else will be the same as what you had set up before. We don't need that one, and I'm just going to go and copy this setup here and paste it into here, and then just move all these toolpaths across to the top setup, and then we can just delete this setup. Right, so then this 2D contour here, we want to come in and select these edges. So click once, click twice, and we're going to go with an open contour and pick this opposite side, hit apply, and we may need to change this, go to 0 on that so it goes to the midpoint, and you'll see now that we've got it coming down to the correct height. You might want to mess around with the heights up there. Then when it comes to these contours here, we need to select this profile in here. There we go. And so we've got our boundary, and you'll see some issues here with this one compared to what you had before. It's not as clean, and there's a little trick that you'll need to know. I'm not going to go into the details of why now. I think I probably explained it during the training, but you can see they're not. It's not. That's actually came out better than the first time I did it. But what you might find is in some toolpaths here you need to go minus tolerance, and you'll see it clean up a bit. So this one here, again, just copy the same contours that you selected normally. So that's the same as your file. I don't think you had any issues with that particular toolpath. This one here is the same as well from memory. This one, I'm pretty sure we'll see some issues on this. So if we go click once, click twice, click again and again, oh, not that one, deselect it, there we go, and see what we get from that. And then we don't need this one, I don't think, and this one again is just a repeat of this contour selection through here. So click once, click twice, switch to open, and then apply. So yeah, this one's a mess, right? So if we come in here and change this and go minus tolerance, and the value it's using is this here. Okay. There you go, so it's much cleaner toolpath now. And that's it, mate. Hopefully that helps. Cheers.